Hey, Mr. EK here. This video is to show you a little bit about the Mac computer, give you the basics, and let you take off from there. So first of all, one of the biggest differences between this and a PC and maybe your Chromebook is the top bar. Very important on a Mac computer. Also the bottom bar. So let's start with the top bar. And what you're going to see is in the upper left-hand corner, the word here is going to tell you what kind of window you're clicking on. So if I click on the Finder, or maybe we open up a program, it's going to move into Ableton. If I'm on my notes, it's going to say notes, and that's going to change what menus you have available to you. The Finder, which I'm going to explain in just a moment, has different menus than, say, Ableton Live, which has different menus than Notes, and so on. So you're going to want to look in here and make sure that when you're using a program, you want to look for different settings for that program, that it says the correct program in the upper left-hand corner. The next thing I want to bring to your attention, very important, on the upper right-hand corner, I have a lot of things going on here, but in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see a spotlight, or in this case, a magnifying glass. And this allows us to search the entire computer for any programs or files. Super useful. So maybe you had completed a song or taken a screenshot, or have any kind of other files or even applications. This is a great place to look for it. So Ableton Live, if I type in live, now I can go ahead and open Ableton from here. Maybe I have a song or a project. I can search for it here. Super useful. The next thing I want to show you is the bottom bar. So the bottom bar has a bunch of applications. This can change. Hopefully it stays the same throughout the computers, but you can customize this. Please leave things the way they are so all students can find the programs that they need. But hopefully you have, also mine has a bunch of different programs that you're not going to see on your computer. But some of the most important things down here, let's go over them. So we have the Finder, System Preferences, Chrome, Ableton, which is going to look like, yours is going to be green like this. We have Downloads here and the trash can here. When you open up a window, some important information in the upper left-hand corner, we can close, minimize, or expand a window. Minimize, then it goes down here, and exit. This window I had up, this is called the Finder. This is like our home base. You can access all your files. Here's the desktop, documents, downloads, recent, and your home screen. This is going to be really important for understanding where your files are at any one given time. On the bottom here, you can see that there's a little dot, and the dot signifies that that program is running. So what you can do is right-click, just like on a Windows computer, and that's going to give you some more options. Quit, show all windows option, and then if we are in any other window, you might right-click and get some more options as well. If right-click doesn't work, you can do a control click. So you find control on the keyboard, click. Another big difference between Mac computer and Windows or Chrome is that the control function switches. So control no longer does what control on a Windows computer does. Now we want to do command. So all your hot keys that you used to do control with, interchangeable with command. And you'll see command, it has this little squiggly line there. When you delete files, what you'll do is drag it to the trash, and spacebar will allow you to preview files in the Finder. You can resize windows by dragging, just like in Windows or Chromebook.